When it was time for me to go to trade school, it was during COVID. So there was really no other option except WyoTech if I wanted a hands-on experience. My name is Michael Walters. I'm from West Richland, Washington, and I graduated from Richland High School. I didn't want to spend the money playing on my computer all day trying to become a technician. So I decided WyoTech was going to be the best option for me. When I got out here, I absolutely loved it. I love the people, the instructors. It's just a great atmosphere and a great community. So in advanced diesel, that is honestly, I think, the best class to take if you're a diesel student. It's like working in a real truck shop. You get a semi that's been on the road, has road grime, everything like that, and you got to figure out what's wrong with it and fix it. You're doing everything in that class from wheel bearings to transmissions, clutches. So everything on the semi that needs to work to go down the road, you are fixing or touching at least in some form. ASM is a great course to take because it actually teaches you how to be a manager. Because eventually you're going to need to move out of the technician role in your life, and having that skills to become a manager will help you in the long run. You're not going to have to learn it on the fly. You've already learned these skills in school. They help you with that running a business because it's not as easy as everyone makes it seem. Actually, there's money involved. You have to pay attention to the books. I would say there is some things you could do through an apprenticeship, but I would definitely take the time, do the schooling, because there's always more you can learn. Doing an apprenticeship, you're putting things back to stock. You're not building a high-performance diesel engine. Yeah, this is something that really I've only had the opportunity to do because I am here at WyoTech. Going to school, you get the experience of the instructors and what they've seen in the field, along with other students, because some of them do have mechanical backgrounds and they're here to just further their knowledge. Once you've completed a couple projects at school, you get that satisfaction. And then going out to the real world and doing that for a living, I feel that's going to be one of the greatest experiences.